By default, Claude writes in its own voice, but what if you need it to sound like your brand? That's what styles are for. Let me show you how to set one up in under 2 minutes. On the home page of Claude AI, click the plus sign, then click Use Style. You'll see 5 built-in options right away: normal, learning, concise, formal, and explanatory. These work instantly and are great starting points. But if you want Claude to write in your own voice, click Create and Edit Styles. Next, click Create Custom Style, then choose Describe Style instead. Pick a starting point, I'll go with Use Custom Instructions, and type exactly how you want Claude to write. For example, I'll say, write like a Spotify marketing copywriter, energetic, punchy, and youth-focused. Use short sentences, no corporate jargon. Make everything feel exciting and culturally relevant. Then click Create Style. You can also rename it if you want, so it's easier to recognize later. Now go back to the chat, click the plus icon again, then click Use Style and select the one you created. It's now live. You'll see the style name appear next to the message box. I'll type, write a 2-sentence description of Spotify's Discover Weekly feature, then hit send. Same question, completely different voice. Energetic, short, punchy, exactly the way I described it. And this style is now saved to my account, ready to use in any conversation from here on. And that's how you give Claude a persona or writing style. Open the Tools menu, create a custom style, describe the voice you want, and save it. It's free on all plans and works in every conversation. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.